Now when they say to store this, you just don't want to clamp anything down. Okay, this one here, I think this one's okay to clamp down, but this has a rubber gasket around there, and I've cleaned out the little filter and everything. And now, I don't want to snap that down there. Okay, I want to leave it up, because I don't want to leave that rubber gasket smashed down in there tight. And so I'm just going to kind of hold it like that, because you have to get it. You don't want to. Oh, okay. I was going to say, sometimes this gets in the way right here as you close it. Oh, there it goes. It can flop straight down. So see, it's off the gasket. Not pressure on it. It's still kind of setting on the gasket, but. And then don't clamp these down. Leave these kind of loose. I mean, obviously, wherever you store it, wherever you have to take it. You know, I got to take it upstairs, and that's a nice handle there too. Once I get it into the storage area, then I'll just loosen those up. That'll keep the pressure off of these gaskets. Okay. So you want to do that too. Yeah, wow. That worked out pretty good. And I was on it. I probably worked, it's 3 o'clock now, and I ate lunch, and it was about 9:30 or so when I started. And then I took about a half hour off, so 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, a good 5 hours. I've used this today. And if I were doing this for somebody, I would have charged them over $150 to do what I just did today. Okay? Maybe, this thing. I charge probably 30 bucks an hour or so. Yeah, $30 an hour. 5 hours. That's 150 bucks, right? And granted, it cost me, this blues from this thing is just falling apart. I'm gonna have to be careful with that on the carpet from now on. Maybe I should just use it outside. I'm gonna have to find me a new one of those. But anyways, with the cleaner and stuff, I use probably less than $10 worth of cleaner because I use my Simple Green. I still have about a half gallon left in that container. And the work that I just did today paid for this unit. So if I were cleaning for somebody, I would have charged them 150 bucks to do what I did today. And that means my carpet cleaner is free, right? On one-time use. Now, anytime I use this carpet cleaner, from here on out, I'm saving money, aren't I? Every single time. I may end up using that, 30, 40, 50 times, you know. Whenever I have a spill, or if I have a little job site I need to go over someplace, oh, no problem, hey, I'll bring my carpet cleaner out there and help you out. You know, if it's one room. If it's a whole house, I don't know. I just get tired of it. So think about getting a steam cleaner for your house. Remember I was saying I wonder what those side deals there are for? Why it's on the side? Well, that gets up next to your baseboards and stuff. And try not to hit your baseboards. You don't want to get black on your white baseboard. And I saw the cord here, and I was having to pull on the cord, and I was thinking, man, I wish the cord was sticking up. And see, there's a little groove there. And so I can push that in there, keep it up off the floor, and then I put this over my shoulder, you know. And then when you wrap it up, I wrap it up on here, and then obviously you can turn that down to pull it off when you get all done. Okay? Pretty simple piece of equipment. I'm glad I got it. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I have no idea what I'm going to show you next time. You'll just have to keep watching. But I'll figure something out. I want you to start saving money around the house.